Hello and welcome to this release video for version 1.8 of Open SDG, the open source platform for managing and publishing Sustainable Development Goals data and metadata. This release includes several new features related to data footers, Chart.js 3, Bootstrap 5, and preparations for version 2.0. Let's start with features related to the data footer fields. Open SDG now supports time series attributes. Data columns can be specified with the time series attributes site configuration setting. When these columns are present in the data, their values will display beneath the charts and tables in the data footer. These values are dynamic and respond to the selected series, unit, and disaggregations. Here you can see an example of a field below the chart called footnote, which is being updated as the disaggregations are changed. The unit of measurement now updates dynamically in the data footer based on the selected unit. Here you can see an example of the footer field dynamically changing as the unit of measurement is changed. Prior to this release, only certain prescribed fields could appear in the data footer. Now, through the new Footer Fields Indicator configuration setting, any custom footer fields can be added. These are dynamic based on the selected series or unit. Here you can see an example of two custom footer fields, one of which is changing as the series is toggled. Now let's discuss the Chart.js 3 support. Chart.js is the JavaScript library responsible for the charting capabilities on indicator pages. OpenSDG has always used Chart.js 2, but this release allows you to optionally upgrade to Chart.js 3 using a site configuration setting. One feature made possible by upgrading to Chart.js 3 is the ability to dynamically switch between chart types on the same indicator, based on the selected series or unit. For example, here you can see an indicator switching between a line chart and a bar chart as the series is toggled. Now let's move on to the Bootstrap 5 support. Bootstrap is the front-end framework used in the platform. OpenSDG has always used Bootstrap 3, but now you can optionally upgrade to Bootstrap 5 using a new configuration setting. When upgrading to Bootstrap 5, you'll notice a revamped mobile header and navigation. Here you can see the new header and navigation at various screen sizes. The front page design that is used in Bootstrap 5 is similar to the existing front page alt design, as shown here. Similarly, the goal pages design that is used in Bootstrap 5 is similar to the goal with progress design, as shown here. Finally, let's discuss preparations for OpenSDG 2.0.0. Version 2.0.0 of OpenSDG will be a major release, which means that deprecated code will be removed. To help you discover whether you're using any deprecated settings, notices will appear in the logs of the site repository's builds. You can find these in GitHub's Actions tab, for example. As you see deprecation notices, try adjusting your configuration as directed and see if you can get rid of the deprecation notices. This will simplify the process of upgrading to version 2 when it is released. An important note about OpenSDG 2 is that both of the new settings described earlier, Chart.js 3 and Bootstrap 5, will be required. This means that enabling both of these features gives you an excellent preview of what 2.0.0 will look like and how it will behave. For a more in-depth discussion, see the blog post linked on this slide. For more technical details on these and other new features in version 1.8, please see our documentation at open-sdg.readthedocs.io. Thank you for watching this release video for version 1.8 of Open SDG.